In this video, you're going to learn exactly how quiet the interiors can get on some late model high-end Toyota hybrids. And I'm talking about measuring the interior noise level and comfort with something like this trusty decibel reader. As you can see, I'm parked right beside one of the busiest highways in the province and right next to some active construction. Now, if you didn't already know about a lot of late model high-end Toyota hybrid vehicles like this 4Runner Platinum iForce Max, they come standard with something called acoustic glass. Now, one of the ways that Toyota hybrids actually work is to use the electric motors when possible to help with efficiency and also help with any kind of noise coming from underneath the hood. And by the way, everyone, if you want to know more detailed information about how the Toyota hybrid system works, what to expect for fuel economy, how to improve fuel economy, efficiency, what to expect for maintenance, download a copy of the free 50-page long hybrid ebook guide that I'm going to leave linked in the description below. And if you already own a Toyota hybrid vehicle and you want to get the best out of it, whether it's maintenance, whether it's performance, efficiency, I left a second link in the description that has a hybrid ebook toolkit guide that has a couple of checklists similar to this that will help you get the most out of your Toyota hybrid. That one is available for purchase, and if you appreciate content like this about Toyota hybrids, consider subscribing to the Toyota World YouTube channel. Now, if you didn't already know, take a look at your original OEM Toyota glass, whether you have a Crown Sedan Platinum, a Toyota Sequoia, a Grand Highlander Hybrid Platinum, or this 4Runner, for example. There's other models that have this feature, but if you take a look at the glass, you'll see markings similar to this one here, which this one states temper light. Again, temper light. That is referring to the fact that the glass is somewhat tempered. Now, when you go over to the front window on the driver and the passenger side, you will see a different kind of marking similar to this one here that represents the quality and the type of glass that you get on the front glass. You also have the same markings here right on the front windshield, or similar markings. This refers to the fact that this is acoustic laminated glass, which definitely helps add to the comfort and quietness on the interior. Let me explain a little bit more in depth. Now, there's actually two features that Toyota has released over the last couple of years that really helps add to the comfort and quietness on the interior for the driver and passengers. And actually, I de-mic'd myself just to give you the full true experience of how quiet it is on the interior being parked next to this construction zone and one of the busiest highways in the province where I'm from. So laminate glass or acoustic glass is one of them. The other is active noise control. And the way active noise control works is it actually emits frequencies out from the interior speakers to kind of cancel out road noise from coming or being heard into the cabin. But if you're not sure if you have acoustic glass, just reference and check those small stampings on the glass of the exterior of your vehicle. Usually it's the front windshield and the side driver and passenger windows. Okay, let's take a look at how many decibels we're at on the outside, just outside of the windshield here on this 4Runner Platinum with acoustic glass. All right, so I would say that the noise level in terms of decibels just outside of the front windshield of this hybrid SUV was somewhere around the high 70s or low 80s. Now, in terms of decibel readings, I believe it's said that anywhere between 40 and 50 is kind of like the sound quality of a quiet room. Let's actually mount this decibel reader on the interior. I'm going to mount it right next to the front windshield and see what the decibels are at on the inside of this acoustic glass hybrid. Guys, check out where I had this decibel reader mounted, facing right up, almost touching the front windshield. And that was noticeably quieter than what the exterior noise was just outside of that windshield, over 10 decibels quieter. That average was sitting right around low to mid 60s. Not quite a quiet room sound quality, but very close, which is very impressive. So active noise control is actually quite simple of a feature. Like I said, it transmits frequencies to the vehicle or inside the vehicle to cancel out exterior noise, but laminate or acoustic glass is something very specific. Again, mic off everyone. Acoustic glass is a specifically designed type of laminated glass that's made to reduce outside noise before it reaches the cabin. So unlike regular automotive glass that you'll find in other models, acoustic glass has two layers of glass with a very thin sound absorbing plastic layer sandwiched in between. This layer is usually made of a special material that's engineered to dampen sound vibrations. So instead of outside noise passing right through the glass, that thin layer sandwiched in between those two glass layers is actually going to absorb and disperse noises before they actually reach the interior of the cabin. Pretty cool. And if you didn't already know, if you have acoustic glass on your Toyota Hybrid, that's really cool because you get other benefits just to it being super quiet. Of course, features like acoustic glass is going to effectively reduce wind noise at highway speeds, tire and road noise, traffic sounds, and engine noise from other surrounding vehicles and even your own vehicle. But there's other benefits, for example, improving conversations inside the vehicle, making cell phone calls clearer through your hands-free system, enhancing the sound quality of your music even because there's less outside noise competing with it, and it will help to block a significant amount of UV rays, helping to protect the interior from fading and keeping it cooling during those hot summer days. Since it's laminated, it's also providing additional safety by helping to keep the glass together if it ever gets damaged. So after watching this video, do a quick check around the exterior of your vehicle and see if you have similar stampings to what I just showed you. If you did, or if you do, that probably means that you have some form of acoustic glass on your Toyota Hybrid vehicle. Hope you enjoyed this video topic and review. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.